make something into a string, you're going to use str. And all you do is use the function and put whatever you want to convert to that type inside. It can be a variable, it can be a specific value, it can be an object, it can be all kinds of things. Some things are going to give you an error. Now, remember the difference between a do something and a return something function. When I call this function str and I put something in here, I'm not changing that thing at all. I'm taking that thing and I'm returning the string version of that thing. That's an important difference, because if I don't capture that, if I don't save it in a variable or print it out or do something with it, then it just goes away. Anything that is returned to me from a function or from Python itself, if I don't capture that and save it in a variable, or if I don't print it or do something else with it, then it just goes away. So that's important to remember for float, for string, for int. There's also one for Boolean conversions.